Welcome to our latest tutorial on how to search in WhatsApp conversation. If you're looking for a specific message or keyword within a chat, you've come to the right place. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Next, navigate to the chat you want to search in. Once you're in the chat, look for the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the three dots and a menu will appear. From the menu, select Search. This will open up a search bar at the top of the chat. Now, type in your search term or keyword in the search bar. WhatsApp will automatically start displaying results as you type. If you want to refine your search further, you can use the up and down arrow keys to navigate through the results. Alternatively, you can tap on the magnifying glass icon to enter a specific date range for your search, and there you have it. Searching in WhatsApp conversations has never been easier. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on using WhatsApp.